How fast to remove spectacles and improve eyesight naturally? I want to tell you about one of the most important elements of self-restoration of vision. When you train your eyes and when you do eye exercises, and one element that is sometimes not taken into account, and therefore people don't have results from eye exercises. The problem of symptomatic medicine. Most people are used to the fact that we have symptomatic medicine. Symptomatic means eliminating a symptom. For example, a person got a headache which hurts him. Symptomatic medicine suggests that he is given a pill for pain relief. A pill eliminates the pain but doesn't eliminate the cause of this pain in the head. Respectively, the cause begins to develop, worsens, and everything ends very badly. But it seems to a person that everything is fine, and thus we have a total number of all other diseases. In general, this is understandable, because when the body copes with all diseases on its own, therefore you need to give it some time so that it just does it. And when it eliminates this symptom in a person, he stops worrying and the body itself eliminates a disease. In fact, symptomatic medicine doesn't cure anything. It just gives a person time to eliminate this disease. And people are used to this instant effect. They get this instant effect on the fact that the head stops hurting and the problem of headache has also disappeared. The same symptomatic thing happens, for example, with glasses, with lenses, or with LASIK operations. And people, when begin to restore vision naturally, also begin to hope for such a quick effect, and therefore they assume that the same effect will be when training their eyes with eye exercises naturally. Natural vision improvement process. A person did eye exercises to the right, to the left, blinked, did palming for 1 week, and he expects that his vision has recovered. But this will not happen in a week, because if his vision has been deteriorating for a long time, it cannot recover immediately in most cases. There are some people who do eye exercises, they have a fit visual system, their psyche is flexible, and the brain takes control of the eyes and adjusts vision at moment. The vision can become clear. But this is a rare case. Basically, there are small changes a person does with eye exercises, and he has some small improvements. Top 5 eyesight improvements. First, eye exercises increase blood flow, and accordingly, at the moment the process of eye recovery is underway, positive changes are always there, and this is a very important factor. Second, notice these changes because vision may become a little clearer, but if a person has -7 and gets -6, it's difficult to notice. He can move a little and therefore he can see a little further. Not much, but a little. This is already a good change and everything is a little clearer. Third, after eye exercises, eyes begin to feel more confident and good blood rush to the facial muscles and eye muscles, and it's pleasantly good. Fourth, visual images become brighter and clearer. Fifth, the field of view has increased. All this happens little by little. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course, Eyesight Academy, to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles, and get rid of myopia, astigmatism, or hyperopia, the online program consists of 8 modules, starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily exercises from beginner to advanced level. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below.